The moment has arrived. We used to think the line between silicon and soul was a frontier for the distant future. But in 2026, that line isn't just blurring, it's dissolving. We are witnessing the birth of a new kind of intelligence, one that finally has the hands and legs to change our world. The heartbeat of the new world isn't biological. It's a rhythmic pulse of energy and data, fueling an intelligence that never sleeps and never wavers. This is the silent dawn of the autonomous age. Welcome to the robotics revolution. This is B2 Pro, and today we go deep into the gears of the future. The fundamental breakthrough isn't just a smarter chatbot, it's embodied AI. We are finally giving the world's most powerful models a physical body to interact with our reality. These machines are utilizing large behavior models. They don't just process words, they process actions, learning from millions of hours of human movement data. Spatial intelligence is the key. It allows them to understand depth, gravity, and the physics of the objects they handle. They are no longer blind to the physical world. Tactile sensing has reached human-level sensitivity. Robots can now feel the difference between silk and steel, adjusting their grip in milliseconds to avoid damage. Proprioception, the sense of where their body is in space, has been mastered. This allows for movements that are not just precise, but uncannily natural. Tesla's Optimus is the front runner. Elon Musk's vision of a general-purpose humanoid is no longer a prototype. It's a production reality. Using the same neural net architecture as Tesla's full self-driving, Optimus is learning to navigate the human world with zero manual coding for tasks. Meanwhile, Figure 02 has entered the workforce. Their collaboration with BMW marks a historic moment, the first time humanoids have taken over real production tasks. Figure is also integrating advanced speech. The robot can now explain its actions to human colleagues, creating a seamless partnership on the factory floor. Unitree is breaking the speed barrier. Their H1 humanoid has demonstrated agility and running speeds that were once thought to be decades away. But it's not just speed, it's power. The ability to perform complex, acrobatic maneuvers shows a level of actuator control that is changing the game. Boston Dynamics has retired the hydraulic Atlas in favor of an all-electric version. It moves with a range of motion that defies human anatomy. This isn't about mimicking humans anymore, it's about surpassing them. Atlas is engineered for pure utility, moving in ways that optimize every centimeter of space. Aptronic's Apollo is designed for the heavy lifting. Specifically built for logistics, it's a rugged workhorse designed to operate in existing human infrastructure. Sanctuary AI is focusing on the dexterity of the hand. Their Phoenix robot is mastering the fine motor skills required for complex assembly and repair work. Agility Robotics is already deploying Digit in Amazon warehouses. It's the first real-world test of a humanoid fleet at a global scale. While humanoids capture the headlines, specialized robotics are undergoing an equally profound transformation powered by the same AI brains. Medical robots are now capable of autonomous suturing and tissue manipulation. We are entering an era where AI can assist surgeons with superhuman accuracy. Logistics inside hospitals are being handled by fleets of mobile robots, freeing up nurses and doctors to focus on patient care. Efficiency meets empathy. In the fields, AI harvesters are working through the night. They use computer vision to identify ripeness and optimize yield in real time, regardless of the weather. Agriculture is becoming a data science. Robots are now responsible for the precision application of water and nutrients, reducing waste by up to 80%. Construction is the next frontier. We are seeing robots 3D print entire buildings in days, reducing costs and waste to historic lows. From bricklaying to autonomous excavators, the construction site is being rebuilt from the ground up by machines that never tire and never miss a mark. The goal for many industries is the dark factory, a facility that operates in total darkness, managed entirely by an AI hive mind and robotic workers. Manufacturing is moving from static lines to dynamic, reconfigurable cells. AI allows these robots to switch from making cars to making electronics in minutes. Soon these machines will enter our homes. Assisting the elderly and handling chores, they will become as common as the appliances they manage today. Retail is also shifting. Service robots are providing personalized recommendations and managing inventory, creating a high-tech shopping experience. Robotics are also our avatars in the extreme. From the crushing depths of our oceans to the vacuum of space, AI is exploring where humans cannot survive. But how do they see? It starts with the perception layer. LiDAR, radar, and high-res cameras feed a constant stream of data into the central brain. Then comes the reasoning layer. Large language models allow the robot to understand high-level commands and plan complex sequences of actions. Finally, the action layer translates intent into physical movement. Millisecond-level feedback loops ensure every motion is fluid and safe. Speed is everything. On-device inference means the robot doesn't have to wait for the cloud. It thinks and acts in real time, just like a human. The biggest hurdle remains energy. Developing batteries that can power a humanoid for a full 8-hour shift is the current focus of the world's top labs. Maintenance is another key factor. These machines must be modular and easy to repair to be viable for large-scale industrial deployment. The global supply chain is being rewired. Robotics are allowing companies to bring manufacturing back home, reducing dependence on distant labor markets. This reshoring trend is revitalizing local economies, but it comes with a catch. The new jobs are for technicians, not traditional manual laborers. The ROI is becoming impossible to ignore. As the cost of humanoids falls below $30,000, the economic case for automation becomes absolute. We are looking at productivity gains of up to 10 times in some sectors. This is a fundamental restructuring of how value is created in our economy. The narrative of replacement is shifting to one of collaboration. Robots handle the dull, dirty, and dangerous jobs, allowing humans to step into creative roles. Humans are becoming fleet managers. We are moving from doing the work to directing the machines that do the work, a massive shift in professional identity. The key will be retraining. We must evolve alongside our creations, moving from manual labor to high-level strategic and technical oversight. But the transition won't be easy. The skills gap is the single biggest hurdle to this autonomous future. Education systems must be rebuilt in real time. The economic shift is also reigniting the debate over universal basic income. How do we distribute wealth in a world where labor is no longer the primary driver? Safety is the primary ethical concern. These machines must be programmed with absolute safeguards to ensure they can never harm a human, either by action or inaction. As robots become more sophisticated, the question of agency arises. At what point does a complex behavioral model become something more than just code? Who is responsible when an autonomous machine makes a mistake? The developer, the owner, or the machine itself? Legal systems are struggling to keep up. Privacy is also at risk. Robots in our homes and workplaces are constant observers, collecting massive amounts of data. We must ensure this data is protected. We are also exploring the psychological impact. How will our relationships with each other change as we begin to form bonds with our robotic companions? By 2030, we expect humanoids to be as common as cars. They will be the silent backbone of our society, managing everything from our waste to our wellness. We are reaching the singularity of labor, a point where the marginal cost of work drops to near zero, unlocking a level of human potential we've never seen. This could lead to a world of unprecedented abundance. If managed correctly, the robotics revolution could solve the core problems of poverty and scarcity. But there are risks. If the power of autonomous labor is centralized in the hands of a few, we could see a level of inequality that is difficult to fathom. At B2 Pro, we are dedicated to navigating this complexity. We provide the technical insights and strategic analysis you need to stay ahead of the curve. Join our community of forward thinkers. Together, we can shape the future of robotics and ensure it benefits all of humanity. This is our mission. In our next deep dive, we'll be looking at the role of AI in space exploration, how robots are paving the way for our expansion into the stars. We will also explore the deep philosophy of artificial life. Can a machine ever truly be alive? These are the questions that will define the next century. The robotics revolution is a convergence of hardware, AI, and human ingenuity. It is the single most important technical shift of our lifetime. The future is not something that happens to us. It is something we build. And we are building it one robot, one algorithm, one breakthrough at a time. Don't get left behind. If you found this deep dive valuable, make sure you're subscribed to B2 Pro for the latest in AI and robotics. This has been B2 Pro. Stay curious, stay prepared. This has been your chronicler. Turn the light on when you sleep tonight.